Here's our entrance to our neighborhood at Kingdom Heights. This is the flooding of the Brazos River. There is actually a Highway 723 up underneath that water there. Normally there's a road and a ditch on either side and fields around us. This is in May 2016. And everyone's here to check it out. Good thing we got the fountain still going. This is actually the second entrance into here. The other entrance, you can see that way, isn't quite as buried in underwater. You can actually still drive out and get to these little lakes around here. It's pretty amazing. This is a world record flood for the Brazos River.